So working on a Thunderbird here. One of the things that you find about old cars, and probably anything that's made 70s, 80s, is that the door hinges start to wear out. And people have trouble when they try to shut the door and it doesn't always want to shut well, and you end up slamming it, pushing with your knee. You can see that we removed the hinges. Now, hinge kits are available on a lot of cars at parts stores, and all you do is just drive out the hinge pin, put some new bushings in there, and fix it. But in this case, this hinge doesn't have that. This is the hinge that I have fixed already out of that Thunderbird. And basically, I remachined the inside of this piece after driving out the old pin and made a new pin, which I'll cut off and put a head on that pin and then mounted it to this bracket. And that takes all this play out of it and tightens it up.